Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just got a new collection and I wanted to show you guys the different pages in here. I wasn't gonna get this, but Tiffany from Let's Get Scrappy was making all the cutest projects with it and I was like, okay, you know what? I need to get my hands on it before it sells out. So if it is still available, I will have it linked down below for you guys in the description box so you guys could check that out, and I will try to find it wherever I can to link for you guys. Alright guys, so let's get started and we're going to get right into the flip through of this beautiful collection called Tulla and Norberts Sweet as Honey by Photoplay. Alright, let's get into it. And those of you guys that have been on my channel, you guys know that Photoplay is like fairly new to me. So, I mean, it's awesome that I'm like expanding to another brand. So here is the first sheet, which is cut aparts, and I think you get 2 of each, which you do. So this one's got some cut aparts that says, "Be happy. Gnome is where my honey be. Welcome to our hive. Love grows here. We are meant to be. You're a keeper. Queen." And then you got a journal card. And what Tiffany actually did is that she made 2 projects, one with this collection with the gnomes and one with this collection with the bees, and it turned out so cute. Like, she made 2 different projects from like this one thing. It was so cute. This is the back side of it, just like a plain paper with polka dots, so it's black background with white polka dots. Then this next one, you've got some bees and the honey. So cute, and I don't even like bees, but the yellow and black and all the Tiffany's paper projects that she was making, like, I just couldn't say no anymore. The back has like these little honeycomb patterns. So cute. Then we've got these flowers, and these are just flowers, like black yellow with like a golden yellowy color and some green obviously. And the back side is the black and yellow stripes. So cute. I'm loving this so much. I don't know what I'm making, but it's so cute. Then you've got the little gnomes, and this one you've got gnomes and you got some bees in here too. I mean, I would probably use this more if I was splitting it up like Tiffany did with gnomes and bees. I would probably use this one more for the gnomes, but I don't really know what I'm doing with this yet, so I don't know how I'm divvying up this paper. And then here's the back side, which is just a pattern. And it's like a golden yellow, or maybe like a light orange even. Then this next one, you've got some birds and some bird houses, some nests. This could go with either one of these. With the gnomes or the bees. I would probably use this one more with maybe the gnomes. I don't know. I'm probably not even going to split it up that way. I don't know why I keep talking about that. I blame Tiffany. So the back side has the wood grain, and it's great to have like these more neutral patterns to kind of break up some of the super bright patterns. And then I think this is the last page, and this one's got some sunflowers on here. And then the back side of this one has like a gray plaid, which I also really like. So that's the paper, and then you also get the sticker sheet, because all collection kits come with a sticker sheet. So it says, "Our hive, together, happy bee day." You've got a tag that says, "Gnome is where my honey be." You've got the birdhouse, some gnomes, some beehives, bees, birds, beehive, more gnomies. You've got this thing that says, "Be kind, caring, happy, and gentle. Will you be my honey? We were meant to be. This is us." I mean, if you really wanted to, you could use this as like a Valentine's Day collection in just non-traditional colors. Like, "Will you be my honey?" Like, a Valentine's Day. Yes. I mean, you could totally do it. Any of these could be for anything. It's just not traditional colors, but it's fine. They don't have to be just, you know, bees or spring or summer, whatever it is. So that is the Sweet as Honey collection by Photoplay and Tulla and Norberts Sweet as Honey. So it's really, really cute. I had to get it. I couldn't say no any longer. So let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys enjoyed this flip through of this collection. Alright guys, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!